Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today we're making a lever holster from knifekits.com designed for a G19 Glock, but you can see this G45 dip in it. We're going to make this a two-part series, and the second part's going to be where we do the wet molding. Now we'll get started on this. It comes with everything you need except glue. I stamped the Bearded Sharpener logo on the back and in the front. First thing you want to do, take a piece of sandpaper. Make sure you have the inside, all the writings on the inside. You just scuff up where you're going to glue it. Doesn't take a whole lot. Just make sure the glue sticks good. And don't get the glue in here where your firearm goes. Everyone saw. I did make the knife sheet, knifekits.com. This is pretty much the same process. Glue should stick. Now we're going to do both sides. If you've noticed a little difference in the color, that's where I dipped it partially in water so I could do the stamps. We'll wet mold it, it'll all flow out together. Put enough glue, but don't get carried away. You don't want to make too much work for yourself. If it gets over into here, it doesn't matter. That's going together anyway. The glue is to hold it together so you can stitch it. Just makes it easier on you. Carefully set it down. Match it up. Take a couple of the needles that came with it. Line up your hole. Stand up here and see a little bit better. Check it in a few places. Now we're going to let this sit and dry. Now that the glue is dried, and I've checked a few of the holes to make sure they line up, use your little Edmund pliers. Put a needle at each end. Then we'll transfer over to the vise. Change camera angle. Well, everybody get a good look at what's going on. Now, hope this camera angle allows everyone to get a good view of what's going on. Pull it through. Get both sides equal. Keep them separated so you don't get them mixed up. We'll go back through this side. Keep everything snug. Now we're going to take the first thread, go back through this hole. Make sure you have plenty of light. Makes it much easier for you. I'm just going to keep going through this till we get all the way to the end. Really not that difficult, just have to take your time. Trim them close. We'll take the water, melt them down. We'll be finished with this first row. I believe this turned out well. Well, everyone can see I'm finished with all the stitching now. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I decided to go ahead and put some stamping on this holster. Got this little diamond stamp. Gonna do a few designs on here after we get finished with this. It'll be a conclusion of part 1. Then we'll go to part 2 where we're gonna do the wet forming. I have to soak these in some water myself. I haven't been able to make the stamps work for me without doing that. So just do this just for a moment. Makes it easier for me to work with. And I've drawn out my line with a pencil, that way I didn't have to scribe it. I like the way that looks. I believe that sets this off. Going to put a few more down here, and I think that will cover it. Stay tuned for part 2 of the video where we wet mold this to this Glock G45. Show everyone how to do that. Make sure you tune in, share with all your friends, and if you haven't subscribed by now, please do so. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.